Damn, it's fucking cold. What is it?
Damn, it's like fucking 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's 2 in the morning. Streets are about to be empty as shit. We have to do a drive cycle on a Mustang so I can get to pass smog. That's why I waited till really late at night, so hopefully no one's on the freeway. I'm gonna drive about 40 for like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna hope that it works. But it is a little nippy out. The weather's getting colder. It's supposed to rain between 1 and fucking 4 in the morning. So, and the car's dirty, so don't worry about the car. This is gonna be a cold too. Alright, about have half a tank, we're good. Now we gotta wait till it warms up all the way.
Just go into town. Go in lane.
I don't think I've ever really slid this shit in the rain. Like, I don't think I've ever slid this shit in the rain, but it's acting funny. Don't know what power it is.
Oh yeah. Hellcat we've gotten. They gave it some. I know it wasn't full, but I'll be content.